Why learning too many tools is a mistake. More tools does not equal more skill. Many beginners believe learning more tools makes them better. But that's not true. The real problem: jumping between tools creates confusion, shallow knowledge, lack of real understanding. You know many things, but master nothing. What actually matters in tech? Tools keep changing, but fundamentals stay the same. Problem solving, system thinking, core concepts. The common mistake: learning 10 frameworks, 5 languages, multiple tools, without building anything real. What works better? Focus on one language, one domain. Real projects. Depth beats breadth in the beginning. The industry reality: companies don't hire based on number of tools. They hire based on understanding, execution, problem solving ability. The shift from tool collecting to skill building. The result: when fundamentals are strong, learning new tools becomes easy. The final take: don't chase tools, build skills. Tools will change. Your thinking should not. Rocket emoji.